Yo, what up YouTube? Welcome to Sneakers and Shots. I'm your host, Val Richardson. This is your first time, like I always say, hit that like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Sneakers and Shots on Twitter and Instagram and also my YouTube page, of course. But let's hop right into it. I have no idea what this is. I have been waiting on several boxes, and as you can see, I haven't opened it yet. So I have no idea what this is, so we're going to find out together. What if it's not a pair of sneakers? What if it's some cleaning supplies or some art supplies or some crap like that? That'd be a total waste. I would post it anyway, just to show for the blooper reel, I guess. But from the size of it, I'm just going to assume it is a pair of sneakers. And looks like all right. This is a pair of LeBrons. LeBron 18. LeBron James 18 Nike 2020-2021. Just do it. Never had a LeBron 18 low. I know what these is. Alright, here we go. The LeBron 18 low Mimi Plange. I'm sorry. Just want to mess up the wife's name. That's horrible. The box is definitely different than any other pair of LeBrons I've seen before. Alright, here we go. LeBron 18 low Mimi Plange. They sound heavier than they look. Okay? Not heavy. The colorways on this thing vibrant. I think I'm digging it. I'm definitely digging the green laces. I believe she's like I said, I don't know the whole backstory on this, but I believe she's a Nigerian, and I hope I'm right by calling this lady Nigerian, designer. So if I'm wrong, somebody please correct me in the comments if she's Nigerian or not. But the shoe mimics a varsity jersey. You can see with all the tags, patches on it. You know, the colorway. It's like one of those Letterman jackets. You know, the ones that the popular kids had. Or this is actually my first time getting my hands on a pair of 18s. I haven't been really wowed at the LeBron 18. You know, I normally get LeBrons and I check them out, but this colorway, I saw this colorway and it just caught my attention. So I had to check it out. See, they got the acronym patch on it. I don't know what all the patches are. I haven't studied in the detail about the shoe. I just saw the shoe and I thought it was cool. I thought the colorway stood out. It had pop to it, and it was different than. It had little differences than all of the other LeBron 18 lows that I've seen. So this is one that I wanted. Here we go. Do this insole come out? No, it's glued in. But in the inside, it says just a kid from the A. Ooh, you probably can't see that. If the insole wasn't glued in, I would check it out. You know, the Nike check is kind of a wool. It's definitely kind of stiff. The flynet on it definitely stiff. It probably to create, lockdown or foot support when you're making those quick moves on the court. You got the Nike React in the sole. It's actually written on it. Like I say, this is my first time really looking at a pair of 18 lows. I got 17s. They have the 16s. I don't think I've got the 16s. I got the 15s probably. I'm not sure. Oh, do I got the 17, 16? Anyway, I think my favorite pair is the 9s. To be honest, I think the most comfortable pair I have was the 10s. Yeah. So I'll probably do a check, wear these, check them out, see how they work. What is the height difference between the highs and the lows? Because the regular LeBron 18 look like, I don't know, maybe the LeBron 18 is a mid. It's definitely not a high. The 17 was definitely high. And the 18 looked more like a mid. And, okay. You see it comes with 2 sets of laces. You got a burgundy pair and a white pair. And you also got these green ones. That I'm going to definitely leave the green ones in because it gives it a different aesthetic. I like the aesthetic the green has. It has a nice amount of padding in it for your heel. So I guess once you got this tied down, this heel, the padding in the heel kind of sits out, kind of curved like this, so it gets into the Achilles area, and then you got a slot for your heel to slide in. So when you got them tied up, you got a complete total lockdown of support with this low top shoe on. I think it's great for guys who plan on shooting ball in these. Got a little bit too old to be shooting ball. You got the Yeezy. Ooh, jeez, I said Yeezy. You got the. You got this large air unit in the back. I think it's from the. Well, what is this air unit from? It's from the three. My mind is all over the place right now. I'm starting to mix shoes up, thinking about Adidas, thinking about, I'm all over the place right now. So you gotta excuse me. See, that's unusual. You see how the back, how the midsole sticks out further than the shoe. That's different. I don't know how I feel about that right now, but it's definitely a different feel to it. But I know they're releasing, I think they're also releasing apparel with this to kind of match it. I think I've seen the jacket, and the jacket for these things are fire. The jacket for it is fire. Yeah, LeBrons don't sell as much as Jordans, but there are a few pair that are extremely popular. I think with the LeBron, it's kind of a hit and miss thing. It's normally the first colorway that come out of the shoe is the most popular, and then the other ones they sell, but you can also find them in outlets. And I'm pretty sure that this year you're going to find a lot of LeBrons in the outlet because a lot of people really not messing with the 18s like that. But these right here did sell out on the sneakers app. But I got these from Sneakers and Stuff. So I got them before they released on the Sneakers app. It didn't take too long to get to me, so well, here you go. I say the LeBron 18 low Mimi Plange. Hit that like, subscribe so you know when I upload a video. Peace. Thanks for watching.